Strategy moves fast. Elate helps you stay ahead with AI that keeps your team aligned, informed, and focused. Elate brings every part of your strategy into one connected system. Outcomes, themes, objectives, and the work that drives them. It gives leaders and teams a shared, real-time view of where you're headed, how you're progressing, and what's starting to slip. And with Strategy Advisor working behind the scenes, Elate surfaces the context and insight behind the numbers, helping everyone stay on the same page and focused on what matters most. As work happens across the business, Strategy Advisor helps Elate highlight the objectives that need attention, prioritize the right actions, and give you a clear, up-to-date view of performance across every team. Elate's Risk Navigator acts as your early warning system, surfacing risks, identifying root causes, and helping you act before outcomes slip. Reporting Assistant turns updates, risks, and outcomes into clear, audience-ready reports in minutes, not hours. It highlights the right insights with the right context, keeping leaders aligned, meetings productive, and strategy front and center. You can add charts, apply time filters, and assign sections so updates flow directly into the report, automatically and on schedule. And when it's time to plan, Plan Analyzer builds a structured, connected strategy using the assets you already have, decks, documents, and outcomes, and applies proven patterns from thousands of strategies, helping you enter the year aligned and confident. Elate is the strategy execution platform built for strategy and operations leaders who want to align their teams, spot risks early, and accelerate results with confidence. Elate, your AI-powered partner for strategy execution. Get a demo and see Elate in action.